In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide notifications from WhatsApp app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And basically we can hide WhatsApp notifications using WhatsApp app settings, and also we can do the same using our device settings. So we can just open up settings, and then we need to scroll all the way down until we find WhatsApp. Here it is. And then if we tap on it and then tap add notifications, we'll be able to configure how notifications from the WhatsApp app will appear on your device. Firstly, we can just turn them off. By toggling on or off that button, we can completely enable or disable all the notifications from that app. Also, we can configure alerts on the lock screen in the notification center, and also we can turn on or off banners. In this way we can turn them on or off in the way we would like to get notifications from the app. Also from here we can turn on or off notification sounds and notification badges. Then if we tap right here at WhatsApp notification settings, we'll be redirected to WhatsApp app. As you can see, now I'm on WhatsApp application. Also we can get to that screen by tapping add settings and then notifications directly in WhatsApp, and from here in the same way we can completely turn off all the notifications by tapping at that toggle. Also we can change notification sound, reaction notifications, and also we can configure notifications by turning on or off that options.